Hi Caps! Welcome! Nandito tayo ngayon sa Bean and Jelly's Farm Resort, somewhere in Magallanes, Cavite. Let's go! From the entrance, you will be welcomed with this. Shawet! Yan, from here to there. And right after that, we can only go there by crossing this hanging bridge. You see that? Hey, we're going to cross the hanging bridge. Hey, this is one of the thrill. Ayan, I can run! Yeah, that one. Whew. Yan. Ito. Itong pathway na to, from here to there, you can pick the grapes up here. Look, it's fully grown na and ripe na. Kuya, can I pick? Ah, okay. Here. Oh, see that? See that? Ah. And this farm, meron din silang iba't ibang uri ng hayop. Let's start from here. Meron silang ducks. Hello! Meron silang 3 ducks. Oh yeah, welcome. Yeah, thank you for welcoming me. And meron din pong mga chicks. I think that's 45 days. Tama. And here, some more ducks. Yan. Sarap niyan, sarap niyan. And that's not a fish pond. Diyan natin sila naliligo and umiinom. And dito din, ito pa, grapes pa din yan. And you see that, grabe, hinog na sila. Mga hinog na. Ito pa. See that? You just pick and eat. No. Ito yung isa sa pinagmamalaki ng farm na to is grapes picking. And here, they have baka. Hi, Kawi. Diba? So, yan. 2 silang baka. Kanina may 2 kabayo. Ikot tayo here. And they have a lot of plants. Yeah. Iba't ibang uri ng halaman. And have strawberries. Diba? Grabe, hinog na to. Ang sarap niyang kunin at kainin. So, ito nakabukod din yung strawberries. Ayan. Ito, strawberry din to, diba? Grabe, no? Grabe, ang dami. They just hang it and then yan. Meron na siya agad bunga. Fresh from this farm! You can just pick and eat. Of course. Yeah. Kasama yan sa... and here, meron sila ditong women and men comfort room. What's good about this area, this farm, is it's really clean. Yung mga, mga toilet. Doon sa room, mamaya mag-room tour din tayo. May mga natutulog pa kasi. And in this area, yeah, here, events place nila. Yan, function hall. No? Wow. Here. See that? And there's room here. Separate rooms. There's also rooms here. I don't know what rooms is that. Maybe for admins or the owners. Not sure. And they have this. Ang tawag dito, Daddy? But there's no ball. Ah, here. They have ball. The basketball. There's more animals here. And in this area, Ito naman, yung dirty kitchen. You can do your cooking here. And Ate Ethel is here. She's cooking. What's there? Monkey! Look, look, look. We have a friend here. Hi! You see that? Hi! Oh no. Ay, meron pa isa. There two. Oh, dalawang monkey. Sila? Oh. Aggressive daw yan. Gaganon lang siya. Ah! Talaga po? May naano na siya before? Naano na ako niyan before sa ulo. Di ba nangunguto sila? Ginanon yung ulo ko kasi wala na nakuhang kuto. Ate Ethel, say hi! She's cooking. You okay, T? Ay, bananas na pala yan. I can bring it there na?
Okay na yan.
Here, we have tuyo for breakfast. And fried bananas.
Andun na yung ibang.
Mag-hi ka dito, ate.
Wala siyang energy. Kasi hindi siya nakatulog.
I need coffee.
Nag-init pa naman ako kanina, te. Kaso, inano ko lang din.
Ay, pasuyo pala ng rice.
Lumamig
Meron pa
na.
doon sa taas.
Sige po, I can bring it na. So, let's go.
Mainit yata.
Apo. Let's go. Let's bring our food there. So, yun. Show them the open kitchen. Look how functional it is. Yeah. Here, Daddy. Come on. Let's go. There's another room here. And there's a pool. Yan. For adults and for kids. Ilang feet yan, kuya? Yan. 4 to 6 feet this one sa kids. 2, 3. Wow. So, yan. Ito si Kuya Jo. Sila magkatulong sila ni Ate Ethel nagluto. Yan. Linis, no? Ay, ganyan pala paglinis niyan. Oh, tas automatic po siya lalabas doon. Oh, wow. Oh, grabe ang linis as in. You can see down there. Grabe. Ilang rooms yung occupied ngayon, kuya? 6. Wow. Oh, ito lang. Kung gusto mo ng mapayapang buhay. I'm gonna show you another friend. Look mo! Tingnan niyo naman. Diba? Hinog na. Yung mga grapes. Hey, 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 hey. And I'm gonna show you my friend. Hi, Aussie. I named Aussie. Are you boy or girl? Hi, Aussie. Siguro sobrang tanda na niyan. No, hello. Hi, Aussie. Ostrich. Hi. Yan. Para ka na ding nasa mini zoo. My ostrich. Hey, hey. No, Daddy. No, no, no. Don't trigger them.
Yan, no? Napakain ko yung ibon. Ibon no? Ostrich yan. Ilang kain ka lang, friend. Pagkabusog ka, ha? Ito pa. Sulit-sulitin mo pa. Ito pa. Yan. No.
Yan. Babae ba yan, kuya? Ah. Ayan, baka. And then, dito naman, merong peacock! Hi! Hello! There's 4 peacocks. Hi! Show us your tail. Your feather. Show us your feather. Show us your feather. Show it. Go! Nice. Very good. Obedient. You're so obedient. Ah, there's one more. 5. Wow, very good. You have a nice feathers. Wow. Wow. How about the others? Can you show us your feathers? Now, show us your tail. Tail? Tama na? Show us! Come on! Look that one, oh. Ganun, bilis. Pakita mo din yun. Garbuhan mo lang, di. Dito naman. Anong meron dito? And here, maraming manoks. Hello, friends! Hi! Yan. May panabong ka na. Ito, may pantinola na tayo na adobo. Hala! Patay na yung isa. Chicken. May patay na manok, Dad. Yan o. Oo nga, patay na nga siya. Sabihin natin kay Kuya. Tanungin natin si Kuya kung ilang hektarya to. Kuya, may patay na chicken.
Baka natutulog lang.
Hindi eh. Dead na siya.
Ano ibang manok yan? Yan yata yung peacock na
Ha?
baby.
Hindi yan.
Hindi ba?
Grabe, Kuya. Anong klaseng manok to? Ha? Ibon? Ano pong ibon yan? Ito pa. Dinggala po yan. Dinggala? Kuya, ito. Patay na siya. Here.
Hindi ka nasakal. O natutulog lang.
Ay, lumusot.
Patay na siya.
Pakamatay.
Sarap yan, tinola. Kaso hindi na matatanggal yung dugo niyan, Kuya, di ba? Sayang, ang laki pa naman niya. A dead chicken. So yan. Kuya, ilang hektarya to? 2 hectares. Ewan. And kanina tinanong ko yung isang nagme-maintenance dito, si Kuya daw na naglilinis ng pool. Sabi niya, 2019 pa to. So it's been 6 years. 6 years now. Pa 7 years na. So during pandemic, ginagawa to, binibuild nila to. Yun, iba na naman yun, no? Parang planta siya, Dad, no? Ayun pa, may warehouse pang ginagawa dun. Sabi, no? So, ayan. So, that's all. And then, there, galing ako doon kanina. You see that? May isang room dito na merong rooftop. Doon ako kanina nag-devotion. Ang sarap doon. Ang hangin, ang lamig. Ganun tayo doon eh. Ay, ganun? Okay. Sarap maligo. Kaya maligo tayo. Here, you will be welcomed by the trees na inano nila, preserve nila. Nayaan lang nilang tumubo. And then, from down there, ayan, sinimento lang nila. They protected it. Hindi nila pinutol or what. So, yan. Look. And then, nito, yan yung open kitchen. Show them. At ang kagandahan dito, meron silang wifi! Kaya kahit gusto mong anong tahimik na lugar, but you still wanted to be connected. No? Picture? Saan? Yeah, it's a picture, Instagrammable area. Ito. Hindi naman siya ganun kaano. So, pwede pa tayong bumaba doon. Ano meron doon sa baba? Waterfalls? O later?
And that's a wrap. We're going home now. So if you guys wanted a peaceful and a homey farm resort, yeah, I can definitely recommend Bean and Jellies. They've been in a service for almost 7 years now. So thank you so much. Bye!